Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today I'll show you how to make a butterfly with channel stems. You can use it as a decoration or turn it into a hair clip. First, prepare one channel stem. Shape it into a teardrop. Twist it twice to secure. Wrap the long end around the frame until it's completely covered. Once covered, wrap one more turn to lock it in place. Next, shape the smaller lower wing. Twist it twice to secure. Continue wrapping with the remaining channel stem. Then secure the end. Trim off the excess channel stem at the bottom. Next, flatten the wings with a craft press or clip. Lightly singe the fuzzy fibers on the butterfly's antennae. It should look like this afterward. Gently curve both antennae. Then bend them upward. Finally, add a little blush for a cute touch. Now make the second wing the same way. Once both wings are finished, apply glue along the edge. Then glue the two wings together. Next, take another channel stem. Fold it in half. Then cut it at the center. Measure 6 cm. Cross the ends and twist tightly. Fold the longer end downward. Twist it twice to secure. Fold the shorter end upward. Twist it twice as well. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Adjust the shape until it's nice and symmetrical. Apply glue in the center, then attach the butterfly. Once it's attached, gently curve the wings upward. Finally, decorate it with a few small pearl beads. Once everything is glued in place, your butterfly is finished. So easy, right? If you'd like, you can glue a hair clip to the back to turn it into a cute hair accessory. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas. Thanks for watching.